What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping in, go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out and I would appreciate it. I am refilming the intro for this video because, like you'll see in a minute, in the intro and one other clip, the microphone actually came unplugged from the aux port. So it was slightly plugged in, so instead of getting audio from the actual camera itself or the mic, it didn't pick up anything. So I'll do a little voice over here in a minute, you'll see. But essentially, we are installing, like you saw in the title and the thumbnail, we're installing a new RedHead steering gearbox on Ryan's 2nd gen Dodge Ram. But with that being said, let's jump into today's video.
Get it, Kyle.
So I start the video off like normal, talking about how we're over here at Ryan and Rob's house, and then go into talking about the weather, blah, 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 what time it is, and then let Ryan kind of talk about what we're going to do today, a new steering box upgrade, and talks about how his old one's super leaky. And then we go ahead and show you the new one here, talk about it a little bit, which we've already gone over in previous videos. So if you want more information about this, go check those out. I'll link those above. Here you can see his box that we just pulled out, which you'll see in another clip that actually has sound here in a second. And then I talk about his parts he got back from Powder, which you'll see in the next video, so make sure to tune in for that. We go over a couple other things, and then we get started on the video, so enjoy. So here's his old box, and as you can see, it's been leaking for a while. It's got quite a bit of grease on it and just dirt. So definitely time for a new box. We're gonna throw a pair of vice grips on here and get it all emptied out. That way we can put the caps back on it and throw it back in the box to send it back for the core. So you got Preston here with a pair of vice grips on where the steering shaft would go, and he's just turning it back and forth to get all the additional fluid that's still inside the box out. As you can see, it's just puking out there some pretty nasty stuff.
Yes, you have a lot of slop in this.
Alright, so Ryan just took out the return line from the old box, as you can see here once this focuses. Dropped my camera last week and broke the lens, so focus had a little bit of a problem, but get a new lens here soon. So he's going to put a new O-ring on the end here, right up here, which you'll see him do now, and then that'll go into the new box.
Just like that. Simple and easy.
There you go. That'll go into the new box, and then we'll work on getting the new box installed and getting the steering shaft put on and everything else and all the new lines hooked up to it. Did you get this POS Ford fixed? I'll be damned, she actually starts. So it's just the alternator?
Yeah, just the alternator.
Let him know what happened.
You know, it's just a Ford.
It's a Ford thing, right? Why don't you pop the hood so we can show them what happened? See, the first step of knowing that this is a Ford, as soon as you pop the hood, you see all your stuff here for a jack. So when you break down, it's conveniently right here. You already got to pop the hood because you already got motor problems. So, boom, car jack right there. There you go. So it was just the alternator, and he didn't know, but the truck actually has 2 alternators. So you got one right here, and then you have another secondary one down here. Hang on a second. So they put a new one in, and as you can hear now, it starts, so it's all good. I sprayed some battery stuff on it for him. Just gotta wash it off, and then I'll spray some stuff there to protect it from corroding again. But got the old Ford back up and running, so now we can get this thing out of here. So, bye. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the new box installed. It's all bolted up, all the lines are all hooked up on it. And Ryan's up here. We're about to add the first thing of fluid, and Preston's gonna go inside and gonna turn the wheels back and forth about 20 times. We got the truck up on Jackson's, as you can see, so that way we can turn the wheels back and forth easily without having to start it, because like I said earlier, we had everything torn off here, so we can't start it in these. We had to push it in the shop, but we're gonna get the bleeding process started, get it in there, turn it back and forth 20 times, let it sit for about an hour or so, and repeat the process until we're ready to start it up and take it off the test drive and all that stuff. So as you can see, it's not nice here anymore. It's now pouring down rain. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but we just got the truck, all the fluid filled back up. Preston is in the truck right now. He's turning the wheel back and forth 20 times. We're gonna let it sit for an hour and then do the same process again, and then we'll take it off for a test drive, come back, check the fluid again, and go from there. But we're gonna go ahead and get all the parts back on the truck, so let's go ahead and show you what color he went ahead and got the new stuff powder coated. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop the video right here, otherwise it's going to be too long, so I'm going to put it in a 2-part video. So next week you'll see part 2 of us installing all the new parts on Ryan's truck that we got back from powder coat. You'll see what color we went with, as well as we're going to go on a test drive and get some more shots of the truck, so you'll see that next video as well, so make sure to tune in for that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below and hit that subscribe button. Share this video, comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you. Follow us all on Instagram, there's links down below, and we'll see you in the next video.